Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so I'm going to give you a little update on the Tati's Blendiful. Now, it works wonderfully. I like it. If you need like that really full coverage, then maybe this isn't for you because it kind of does buff it out and gives you that airbrush finish, which if you want that much foundation on, you're not going to get that look. So I really do like the applicator. I used it for the second time this morning. And I seen a review and they're like, oh, just go ahead and flip this over and you'll have more room instead of trying to go around it, this little thing here. And I was like, oh, that stupid me. Like, why didn't I think of that? So when I did that and I turned it to flip it, I noticed that mine is ripped. And through the seams, there's little holes all through the seams. I have another one right here. You could see it right there. So there's 1, 2, and then I seen another one. I seen another one starting somewhere else. But those are the two big ones. And if I barely touch it, then it just starts unthreading. So I was really sad about that. I believe, I don't even have the package anymore, but I believe it was made in China. So I don't know if that has anything to do with it. But I am really sad. But I did send an email to Tati Beauty letting them know. Today is a holiday, so of course I don't expect to get a response. But I will go ahead and follow up with my emails and see if there's anything in the next couple of days. And see what they say, and I'll definitely keep you updated maybe on my Instagram. Now I'm just kind of scared to wash it, and this was just by me washing it by hand. And I showed you in my video, my review video, of me just kind of washing it by hand in the sink. The washing machine is a lot rougher than my hand, so I'm really sad about that. So hopefully, I haven't seen any videos saying that they received any damaged products, so hopefully it was just mine. And this isn't something, that's happening. But I was just really sad. If anyone is going to happen to, it's going to happen to me. That's just how it is. But that's not all I have for you today. I am going to go ahead and do a giveaway. I haven't done a giveaway in a really long time, so I figured, hey, this is a good time than ever to do a giveaway. It's January, and maybe I'm going to try, fingers crossed, I'm going to try to do a giveaway every month. For this new year, I'm going to try my hardest. So this would be the first giveaway. I should have actually started in the beginning of the year, or like the first week, so that you would have had a full month. But I didn't. We're here right now. So why don't we say we'll give this till, let's do February. Let's make it Valentine's Day. Okay, so the cutoff is Valentine's Day, so this would be like my Valentine's gift to you, and also the first giveaway for the month. So the cutoff will be February 14th for this giveaway, and it's just a few items just to say thank you for continuing to watch my channel, and let's start good into this new year of 2020. So that's what I have for you. So I'm going to go briefly over the items that I have, and hopefully you see something in here that you like. So the first thing I have is from Murad. This is the Skin Perfecting Lotion. This is a really good lotion. I have a few of them that I've already actually went through. So I have an extra one, so I figured I'll go ahead and throw this in for you. So next we have from, and I like this brand because they do multi-use in their products. So this is from Tursequi. I always say that wrong, and then people are always correcting me, and then I still forget, and I say it wrong again. So if I am, I'm sorry. So this is the Matte Color and Shiny Balm Lip Crayon. So on one side, one end you have the lip crayon. On one side you have the lip crayon, and the other side you have the balm. So this company is really big on multi-use in their products. And this is more like a burgundy shade. So I try to touch all the areas of the face, so hopefully I covered everything here. The next we have from MAC We have a blush. This is in shade Cosmic Force. So if you do not like really bright blushes, this is a very soft. So hopefully that's something that you will like. Okay, so the next we have from Benefits Cosmetics. This is the Dandelion Shy Beam. This is a nude pink matte radiance highlighter. A nude pink matte radiance highlighter. So when I hear nude and matte and then highlight in the same sentence, it just don't make sense to me. Nude and matte, but yeah, highlight. So this is it. I'm not really sure, and I kind of don't want to open it because it's liquid, but I thought the packaging was really cute. So whoever gets this needs to tell me how they like it, because I just don't understand that. But the packaging was really cute, so I said, hey, why not throw in a highlighter? And then next from Farrah Brushes, we have a 5-piece brush set right there. It's sealed, so I don't want to open it and show you the brushes because it's sealed, and I don't want to open that. So that's what you're gonna see from it. And then next we have from another item from Benefits. This is the Highbrow Pencil. So this is that lighter pencil that you put under your brow to define your brow bone. This is another good one. We have, this is from CoverGirl. This is the Katy Perry Katy Cat Gloss. And this is her line from CoverGirl. And that's like a very Katy Perry color. It's like a bright pink. And let's see if it says, the color's Kitty Karma. Very cute. And then it has a little kitty on top. And then we have another lip product. This is from Queen. Okay, I didn't know what the name of this, and I kept saying Cuvine, but I think it's Queen. I still don't know. Not sure. But other people have been pronouncing it as Queen, so I'm taking it from them. It's called Queen. This is a liquid lipstick, and the color Thick Skin. It's a kind of a nude right there. I have this one from Moods. Moods from Laura Sanchez Mood Palette. Okay, so look at that packaging. That is really cute. You can see right there. It kind of goes together. Like, I'm going to show you the whole picture without messing it up. Look at that. That is so cute. So then you have a mirror, and then those are the shades right there. You have 4 matte and then 4 shimmer, so those are 8 eyeshadows, and then you have 2 highlight colors, and then the brush right there. That's all I have for you today. So now it's time where you're asking me, how do I join the giveaway? Well, it's really simple. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. You give me a thumbs up, and it would be nice if you hit the notification bell that will let you know whenever I post a video. So make sure you click all on there, and then leave a comment. Just leave a comment below, whichever you like. You can compliment me, you can give me feedback, anything that you would like in the comments below. Make sure you leave a comment. But then also put enter me and 3 hearts. You can select any hearts that you want. Just make sure there's 3 of them. Not 1, not 2, but 3. The word enter me. And that's about it. But if you want an extra opportunity to enter, an extra chance, then make sure you follow me on Instagram at Beauty with Kimberly Rose. I'll put it right here for you. And it's simple as that. Alright guys, so that's all I have for you today. As always, I love you. And I'll catch you in the comments below or my next video, whichever comes first.